Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button so that you are a part of the gang. So today we're going to be doing a video on how to make a thumbnail using PicsArt and Phonto. The first thing that you're going to need to do is take a picture of yourself or whatever it is with you in the frame and without the frame. So this is what it's going to look like. This is a picture with you in the frame and a picture without. So now you're gonna go into PicsArt. You're going to hit the plus button and scroll all the way down and hit the checkered image. You're going to hit next, hit save and download to your photos, and now it's in your photos. Now you're gonna head to Phonto and you're gonna hit the little camera at the bottom and then hit photo album. Then you're gonna hit all photos and you're not gonna be able to see it because it's gonna be camouflaged, but you're gonna hit the white screen and you're gonna hit done, so that way you can tap anywhere on the screen to write whatever you want. This video I'm gonna be doing how to make a thumbnail, so that's what I'm doing in this clip right here. Okay, right here you see me being indecisive on how I want the title to look. The font that I'm using is the Fortnite font. I saw this YouTuber use it, and I think it's FontGo. I'm not sure, but I'll leave the link in the description below. But if you want your words to look like this, all you have to do is create pattern, hit the create pattern button at the top, and then hit horizontal or whichever way you want it, and then you just go ahead and pick your colors. I was feeling purple today, so I chose purple. In this clip, you just see me fixing the title towards my liking or how I want it. You guys can do it however you want it. This is all about how you want it to look in your thumbnail. And then when you are done with that, I'm just putting finishing touches on this. But then when you are done, to get the little shadow in the back, all you have to do is at the top hit style, and you would see shadow, spacing, underline, and blend. Just hit shadow and put a shadow behind the words, how dark or how low you want it to be on your title. And to get the curve at the top, when you hit the font, like the word, it has this little square box. You just swipe to the side and you would see curve, and that's how you get the curve in the. So once you guys are done, all you have to do is hit the square image at the bottom with the arrow and then save image as PNG. Now you're gonna go to PicsArt and just exit out all of that stuff. You're gonna hit the plus sign and go to the image that do not have you in the background, one like this. So you're gonna hit that and you're gonna hit tools, then you're gonna hit crop, and you're gonna do 16:9 because that is the length for a thumbnail on YouTube. And here you're gonna hit effects, or if you want to, you're gonna hit effects, and I do blur in my background because I feel like it makes my photos pop more. But there, I'm just putting the blur how low or how high I want it to look in the background. And once you're done with that, you're gonna hit apply, and you're going to add your photo. This is the one with you in it with the background. Choose a photo for whichever one. You're gonna zoom in on it and you're gonna hit cut out. Here you're just gonna cut out, you're gonna trace over the image or yourself or whatever you want to put in your thumbnail, and just make sure you trace over it. You don't have to worry about getting the edges in this part. It's just you tracing out yourself. Okay, so now when you're done tracing yourself out, you're gonna hit the arrow, and you see how it didn't crop my teeth or my eyes or a little bit of my hand and my hair. Then you're just gonna go through and just make sure you get it all the parts that you just want in your picture. And once you're done getting the little pieces that you want in your picture, you're going to hit preview. That way it's going to take away all of the background, basically all of the parts that you did not color in red. Me here being a perfectionist, you guys, I'm just roughening around the edges. You guys really don't have to worry about smoothing around the edges, because in the next clip you're gonna see me add a border to make your picture pop more, so you won't really see the mistakes that you make doing the edges around your cutout. Then once you are done, you're gonna go ahead and hit save, and you're going to hit border at the bottom. And you see how when you add the border, you're really not gonna see the mistakes that you made around the edges of your cutout. So you're just gonna thicken that, you're just gonna make it bigger or smaller, however you want the border to be, and just zoom in and out and just fixture it in how you want it to look on your thumbnail. So now once you're done with that, you're gonna go to add photos, and I already went to Google and picked out PicsArt and Fonto like apps, and you're gonna do the same thing that you did with your photo. You're gonna cut out whatever part, basically the Fonto app that I screenshotted, and you're going to hit preview. No, once you're done, you're gonna hit the little arrow, and it got everything. So now you just hit save, and you zoom in and out, and that way you have nothing in the background, just the app. And then you're just gonna fix it on the photo to where it looks best for you. And you're gonna do the same thing with the PicsArt app. You're gonna add an image, and you're going to hit cut out and crop out the whole, like, the picture of the P with it. You guys get what I'm saying. But once you do that, this one, it did not get the P, so you're just gonna go back in and crop out it. And then once you're done, you hit save, and you just fixture it to how you would like. Then you're going to add the title that you made back in Fonto, and just put it wherever you want on the picture. This is all about you guys. Just customize it how you would like. Okay guys, I just want you guys to remember never to hit apply. You only hit apply when we were doing the background, when you did the blur effect. Just don't do that, or else you won't be able to move around these apps or the font. And then once you are done with that, you're gonna hit next. Then you're gonna hit save, and then download image, and it is now ready for you to upload. Just go to your photos, and it's right there, and you guys are set to go. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.